some friends who are great, and unlike you, they believe in realistic things, which what you're preaching is just stupidity. I believe
So you're calling me stupid?
Basically.
Okay.
Basically.
Did I call you stupid?
No, but
Okay.
you're telling me my religious beliefs are wrong.
And you
which is
told me
really
mine are
offensive.
wrong.
I'm not saying
And look at how we can
Christianity is
tolerate
wrong.
one another.
I'm not saying Christianity is wrong. I'm
Sure
saying
you are.
what you're preaching to people is wrong.
All right.
Christianity is not wrong. We believe in Jesus and we love Jesus more than you do, because what you're preaching is just straight up
So you're
wrong.
better than I am.
I'm not better than you are.
Sounds like it.
No, I'm not saying that.
Sounds
did I
like-
say that? Did I say that?
I'm just telling you what
I
it
did
feels
not
like
say
when
that.
you're talking to me like
Did I
that.
say that?
All right.
Exactly.
Okay. Now you
No
said.
words in
Let
my
me
mouth.
let me
Thank you.
let me probe on into something that you said. Okay.
Okay.
And I think this will highlight the difference between you and me
Okay.
and our understanding of Jesus.
Okay.
Right. You said you're a good person, correct?
I'm a good person, yes.
Have you kept the laws of Moses?
Yes.
So you have always honored God completely and totally, never wavering.
Yeah, I would like
Really?
to believe so.
Okay.
I might have sinned
You were
a
a-
couple
you-
of times, but that doesn't make me a bad person.
Well, what does it make you?
A human, exactly.
human who
People make
sins.
mistakes, and God
Okay,
is
hold on.
forgiven. I
Were-
make
did you
mistakes,
always
God will
do?
forgive
Did you
them.
always do everything that your parents told you to do?
No, because I'm a normal child,
Okay.
just like everybody else.
I agree.
Are you trying to tell me that you did everything your parents
No,
told you?
ma'am, I'm not. See, but you said you're a good person. I think I'm a bad person, and I think the Bible teaches that you're a bad person too because you've broken the laws of Moses. Have you ever been angry at somebody because they just annoyed you like me?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, because Jesus said, you've heard it said of old, thou shalt not commit murder. I say, if you ever call your brother a fool, which is basically what you call me because you said my beliefs are stupid, that you are in danger of the judgment. It is murder of the heart. So I don't need to kill somebody to murder them. I need to think about just being really mad at them like you are with me.
But I don't need to worry about what you think.
Okay.
All I need to do is
So
repent
you
to
said
God,
that you're a
and
good-
God will take care of it.
Okay, so you said you're a
Stop
good person.
interrupting. Yeah.
All right, I'm trying to walk you through one point.
I know what I'm
So
saying.
you've broken
Stop
the
trying
laws
to
of
walk me
Moses.
through. I know what I need to
As
say.
a Muslim, how do you get your sins forgiven?
By repenting,
What does that mean?
by asking for forgiveness, never doing the same thing again.
Uh-huh.
And if I could make it up for the person, if I hurt someone, then to do that.
And so who pays for your debt against God for breaking his
I
laws?
pay for my debt.
So
I
you
pay
are
for my
earning
own
your
debt.
way to heaven, correct?
Yes.
Okay, that's the difference between you and me. Right there. You believe you're earning your way to heaven by doing good, saying the Shahada, maybe by taking a trip to Mecca, the giving of alms. You believe that you are doing good to earn your way to heaven. I believe there is none who does good, no, not one, but Jesus Christ, fully God, fully man. He kept all the laws, was beaten and bruised, hung on a cross to take the wrath of God, fulfilling all righteousness, so that you and I might become the righteousness of God. I believe it is by grace through faith alone in Jesus alone. You believe it's by works. Now, clearly we have a completely different worldview and understanding about God in the afterlife. You do not believe that Jesus is God. I do. So here I think are the options. Either you're right, or I'm right, or we're both wrong, but we can't both be right. Fair enough?
Fair enough.
Sweet. And look at, I don't hurt you. I don't try to kill you. I'm not saying nasty things about you. Wretched. We're hip. We're technologically savvy. Would you please join us in liking, subscribing, or sharing this video?